If your family member has just arrived in Saudi Arabia and you don't complete their Iqama on time, you could face fines and serious delays. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to complete the entire process. Assalamu alaikum everyone. If your family has just arrived in Saudi Arabia on permanent family visa, then this video is extremely important for you. Because today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to complete their Iqama process without any confusion. Before we start, a quick note: if you haven't watched my previous video on how to apply for permanent family visa, I have already explained in detail. You will find the link in description. Make sure to check it out so you understand the full process from the beginning. Also, one important thing, don't rely on old videos. The process has changed a lot and is now much smoother and faster. So follow these updated steps to complete your family Iqama quickly and without any hassle. And we truly pay tribute to the Saudi government for making this process much easier and more streamlined for residents. Family Iqama process step-by-step guide. 90 days rule, that is very important. Let's understand this rule. When your family enters Saudi Arabia on a permanent family visa, they are given 90 days to complete all the Iqama formalities. If you delay beyond 90 days, fines may apply, so don't take this lightly. Step number 1, that is health insurance. First of all, you need to arrange health insurance for each family member. Make sure the insurance is approved and active before moving to the next step. So the second step and the next step is pay the dependent or the Iqama fees. Now, you need to pay the dependent fees. Go to your bank or ATM, select the government payments, choose dependent or associate fees, enter the border number of your family members, enter your Iqama number. The system will show the amount. This depends on your Iqama validity. The thing that is very important is pay separately for each family member. Also keep in mind the dependent fee is 400 Saudi Riyal per person per month. Now step number 3 is use Absher. Next, log into your Absher account, go to electronic services, then expatriates affairs. Here you will see your family members listed. Step number 4 is enter names in Arabic. For each family member, enter their name in Arabic exactly as per passport. First name, second, third, fourth. Make sure the spelling matches the passport exactly. This step is very important. Step number 5 is process each member. Repeat the same process for all the family members. Double check all details before submitting to avoid any issues. Step number 6 and the last one is delivery option. After completing everything, select the delivery option. Choose postal delivery. Fee is around 40 Saudi Riyal per person. Your Iqama cards will be delivered directly to your address. Make sure you complete everything within 90 days. Double check names and payments carefully. Pay the fees separately for each dependent and always keep your Absher updated. If you follow these steps properly, you can complete your family Iqama process smoothly and quickly without any stress. Comment below if you still have any query. I will try my best to resolve.